Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Trishita Paul, and today we will be going over several tips to identify whether or not a table, a set of ordered pairs, or a graph is a function. When given a table, every x value must be different for the table to be considered a function. In this case, there is more than one x value of 2, so this table is not a function. The same rule applies for ordered pairs. You must check if every x value is different, which in this case is, so this set of ordered pairs is a function. Now, to tell if a graph is a function or not, use the vertical line test. Place a vertical line across all the coordinate points and check to see if more than one point touches the line at the same time. Since the vertical line here crosses 2 points, the graph is not a function. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. For more detailed videos on functions, a playlist will be linked in the description below, as well as on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Thanks for watching.